I'm just a daily updates, so we bring you all the updates surrounding a year on my moon. Now, and somewhat tough for no daily, and you didn't ever so more. Now, it's someday if you are got it at the tear, the dinner about two and did it. We a category and yet do to the fatas out here, and a day ever so more. Lawyer Sandra Ankobiah and once Ababa. Hajia for real related story be about the Fusi, Lawyer Sandra Ankobiah, you didn't have a two of a fuse ODG, and so one sense a beer, a bobame, in our soul, you didn't ever two and now a brofono, semi brew, George Floyd, and someone, Black Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter, Nina no crabbe. And was a simple, the and was a pair. Now, yan shall come and say, yan shall come and say, and dear, that is a daily update. The same question, and the subscribe, like, and share, we are now commenting on, a seal, ever a mile. Lawyer Sandra Ankobiah, and not that, nay, no birthday, not just a happy birthday, Cassia, and now, and for a wish, in fact, then as a go. Now, in the moon, no, you're not going to say. We got to ye into we give it out artists or day. We got to check them because a year birthday, Ubiana celebrating a birthday. Or the scenery or say, oh yeah. The moment and you know them for a camp. The update and comfort them my say, and you know pony here. The moment send me a count and no moment in fa ever to ya. Nina say, I've turned them my watch. Any idea because of a birthday, no, so be now or relax, no, and the private jet and then the private relaxation, baby, who could do the birthday, no, not just say, or the private jet and call the private island, it could do birthday, and yet as a command, no, number 4 come what's him say, hey, and yet Sandra. And then I see then a bank of 4 can't say any idea. The social video now, if you're going to Sandra Ankobiah, so private jet or the courier, and then upon the arrival, private jet or sign a day a buyer, Nina a enjoyment or courier enjoy it. Then no them go for fusing in Saint Nancy, and it is a hard year for you. The life are no living, the lavish life are not all living near the send a year, you will see the territory, Ama Abrofo, and you so the per year, even $2 million being put and what's some abba. There is still a question mark. As somehow, and that's what I will call it. Ghana, my semi blue. Is there a question mark on Sandra Ankobiah moving in and out with private jets and all that? What is the wahala behind it? Is it a wahala and not simple? Obi the shed that Ibukimano say uncle and son and famra and because Ushe had your for real, and someone buyer and the idea. Also now she was found traveling in jet and in first class and the idea. To know them for their target Sandra Ankobiah say the kind of lifestyle living on social media and so on. These are influencing the youth and banana as in almost so they were involved in scandals and all fraud and all that. To say any as in Cuba. Now Congo said DH and they said and go for air say ne departure and then arrival at any the same. And on which say at the same spot or depart in the same spot and also arrive here. That is a one go here or for keke. And also sunny keke. But what share yeah, the two margins are a woman that means there are different, there are two different things. How would depart here and they may be a obese and there be a belland here or arrive here and so are two different things. And also Sandra Ankobiah and one someone and also a war social media and so she said the birthday once and some day Ghana had there. And this has a number day in, day out. As a was a member, Ubia, Edrano, Ebetumbi. Say this year horror, ever horror, this year coming out, so ever coming out. That is Ghana for you. Now, before Fuse ODG, also to Likee Tv, a war, a banana, Seno, or no, a tamarani, a dinijuma, our Yajutini, a war, or my Gungun Gundam. And Yama Baba, a fun winning, no, and I said, Abrafuna Kamiako, I said, Black Lives Matter, Black Lives Matter, Omonti. But who idea a two, a George Floyd. Emma, to say, Bruni, Posini, Emia, the command, ni Kutubi, is in Sumi and the Koma, Opening to another one said, and matches a gun hakrano, your team won't pretend quite any asim kuma, any idea. And not fuse ODG, or no similar thing. I happen to or no, say Abrofono, a cameo quest, almost see on what TV, pampine. I want to know. And then you know, it's a fuse ODG at the camera, so new be at the camera. Now, Bruni post me about one dear opportunity, say, or TV pampine, which as the becomes a cannabis, and I say, marijuana, or TV pampine, and walk the car, no, and I send a handle, no, or tis a pampine, oh. Into the camera question, only be which windows and all the windows were closed, but Bruni posted, you know, the ginger said, or TV pampai, no door stopping. The interrogation is near the other, not a co-hyper, and yet as a commando, and as a bedani, rebata near their deeds, a casabi bree. And till the moment, said the Equoya, you know,
you open my door. Wait, what? Why are you mad? Why? Are you mad? Do you have a warrant? 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 Yes, you do need a warrant. You do need to have a warrant. Wait a minute, are you mad? Are you fucking mad? Wait, I'm sitting in the car. What? Are you mad? What? Are you mad?
Sir,
are you mad?
Sir, step out the car.
No, I'm not stepping out the car. Have you got a warrant?
Sir,
why?
You're
no.
detained for a search
Why?
No.
No. Why? What?
My name is Sergeant.
What are you on about?
Attached to Captain TDP,
alright?
What?
Stop resisting. What? I'm not resisting the car.
Where some officers in plain clothes believe the occupants of this vehicle have been smoking drugs.
What?
Detained for a drug search.
Are you mad? Why? No.
Car, please.
Why?
The car now.
You need to show me a warrant for this. You need a warrant for this.
Detained for a drug search. You need to step out the car. Come on, sir.
Why are you mad? Are you hurting me? Why? Stop! Look at that. See what they've done. Oh my God. How could you detain me? I was in my...
Prevent harm, okay, from you grabbing drugs and swallowing them, I had to open the door to get control of you quickly, okay, and you've immediately shut the door on me. So that
because I don't know who you are. You've come to my car. I'm in Brixton. You've come to my car. You forcefully opened my door. Of course, I'm not going to allow you.
That heightens my suspicion that you have drugs on you.
Okay, can I?
I've not finished. I'm not finished doing the cuffs. That's the reason why I put you in cuffs. When you've struggled with me constantly for at least 30 seconds to a minute to try and get you out of the car to put cuffs on you. Okay, and you've actively resisted in that.
So
that's why I've put the cuffs on you.
My question is, why couldn't you have a conversation with me? Why are you forcefully dragging me out
if you've got drugs
in order to ascertain if I have drugs on me?
If I've got reasonable grounds to suspect that you've got drugs in the car, I'm not going to give you that chance to swallow drugs. That's why I put cuffs on you.
And your reasonable ground is what?
What do you mean?
No, you haven't.
I have.
No, because you stopped. No. You stopped next to my. Did you smell cannabis before you stopped next to my car? You picked my car without smelling anything.
Hang on. Were there any drugs found in the car?
I've not been searching the car. My colleagues have been searching.
Your colleague
the car.
is right there. Ask him. He's right there. Your colleague is right there.
Hang on, baby. Hang on, please a minute.
So I've been searching this gentleman here.
Yeah.
Okay. I've not found nothing on him. Okay. But I've not been searching the car. My colleagues have been searching the car. So
all right. There's one of your colleagues. Yeah, can you ask him then? Was anything found in the car?
But currently, he will let me know if there's anything found.
No, but let's ask him now.
I believe it's still being searched.
I don't know why he's taking long to take off the handcuffs.
You can't take it off.
Hey, have you found any drugs?
Obviously, apart from what I've shown you so far, sir, no, I haven't just yet, but obviously I haven't finished the search of the vehicle yet.
Okay.
You're the police. You're the plainclothes. Yeah. Are you the plainclothes officer?
Yes. My just wanted me to show.
So hold on. Let him read the story.
Let me just read what you read.
Read the statement.
Plainclothes officer has walked past your vehicle and seen traces of substance believed to be cannabis within the door handle opening. So how did you walk past us sitting in the car and see something in the handle?
So I've seen that once I've come over. So I've come over. I put the vehicle up because I could smell cannabis, as well as the intel about the area, this road, and the intel we have about
No.
Yep.
This says
in the
this
door.
is
wait. Let him.
This is here for your reason of
stoppage.
stoppage.
Would you like me to answer it?
But you're not answering the right question. I want to make sure you understand my question.
Yep.
This here, it says that the plain officer, the reason you stopped us is because you walked past and you've seen traces of a substance believed to be cannabis.
There's more to it. There's more to it.
So when
That's a mistake by you.
So
the officers just smelled cannabis. Obviously, when we opened the car.
So this is wrong then.
this is wrong. This statement is wrong.
Yeah. So I can change that. So that's why I believe I've heard the time the vehicle was stopped.
Is it wrong or you're now changing your story?
I'm changing the story. So I said
Because it sounds like you're changing the story.
You're changing the story.
My understanding was that the cannabis had been seen in the vehicle, but definitely it had also been smelled. All right. You both take.
Okay, so you came because you came because cannabis was smelled, not because it was seen.
Yeah.
In Brixton, you smell cannabis.
Sorry, and also, sir.
Yep.
No. Let's
coming from this vehicle, and also, sir, because they
coming from the vehicle. You smell drugs coming from the vehicle.
as well. All right.
No. You smell drugs coming. Let's be clear. Did you smell drugs coming from the vehicle?
Yeah,
I did,
that's
sir.
correct. I did.
You did.
Yeah.
And the
How?
windows
When
were
the windows
up.
were closed.
I could smell as I walked past. There was only you two sitting in the vehicle. Every other vehicle was unoccupied, and
But
as
the
I got
windows were
closer-
closed.
As I got closer, I could smell cannabis coming from the
Through
vehicle.
the windows.
Yes.
You smelled through the
When the
windows.
windows
I
are
could
up.
smell
Are
cannabis.
you
I
a part
could
of
smell
the K9
vehicle.
unit or something? Because I didn't know humans can smell.
Okay. That's
K9
not the
through-
reason for the stop, but that is part of the grounds for the stop. Yes.
I'm trying to understand it. So the grounds don't make sense.
It does.
From the foundation, it doesn't make
I'll
sense.
explain to you.
I think at the end of the day, we've got to a point where this is going back and forth now. So thank you very much. Enjoy your day.
No. Let's
No,
understand
what
it.
do you mean?
No.
Wait. No.
We need to understand this.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Cool. Wow. So you called them out and they're bullshit and they run away. Look at that.
Idiots.
Alright, the way a fuse ODG, when you approach Brixton or approach to say, and yes, Kuma is a challenge, of course, on as a Chinese course between fuse ODG and Brunino. It said someone a course of no court. A seminal court, a seminal earlier than this, not free, and not a seminal fuse ODG, and the seminal aquacupimu, a year quarter. If you any say, dear Beba, actually, if you need Beba between because I have a daily update be on the top of Biano, a danger about the Somo. Now, reactions about our rich Ghana celebrities Ubiano Ekasa wada popularly Sakwadi Etimi Akasa Edi Afa this particular actor a course between Fuse ODG and a year police in Ina or no estopi Fuse ODG no and will say we pass a Ghana and a chocolate the police ni here Kasime be seniors and Ketua and some Bobo Banya just say Asamna police in Ina or the air tonoson and Yanokre. It's in Ujani, Bibi as in Ujano, and my Nako, and on a saco de say, Wahoo, who see who we name would take Pampano, but Pampana would tea and our investigation. One who's a Pampine beer and one home. One who's a BBR and one home. They won't know what to me, engine and I interrogating, said what a Pampine you smell, we around him. A breakdown for when he in which you smell we around his handle. One for any Sandra Brunino, according to Brunino in Chimwa, or the Emmanuel said, or smelly we around the handle, no, but we on the cam, which all the windows were closed. And no, and I just said, maybe I said after all the interrogations and all that, you know, or with me, a jar no say, and the orphan only because. There was no evidence to show, say, and Bawi be a woman, and I said, Bisa, I was such a ya. I know that's how James say we and Kaya Ghana, Chokona police in these as Mudia, Kaboys now pronocora about Panini. Our needs is Abri, Karenina Aswaswa, we a casual friend and won't send them Black Lives Matter, near dear, Bruni Gruma, that's Anna or more a year. But I can also comment on them by say, next time Fuse ODG should come down. And so on buffer now ultimately tolerating what the police is doing. Said the situations or calm. And yes, I are we are there 200 Floyd, Ebiana, Ebi Aquacotono, no, and the Futu Aquafor, and the Fuse ODG. I was a daily update. The top from Biano, a bar, in a bar, up to a when you bomb the national set over subscribing. Now I like it, now I share. Who we are, just comment, I was see you, FMI.